Hey friends, if you remember, I picked up these bowls thrifting and I've already created 2 arrangements with them. This is the 3rd arrangement and it's the smallest of the 3. I decided to take a different approach and just use a green and white color scheme. Included in this arrangement is white mums, green cushion mums, white Alstroemeria, Cedar, Juniper, leather leaf. The base is mostly leather leaf with accents of winter greens. Because it's the smallest bowl, the greens turned out thicker and fuller than the other 2. Green is my favorite color, and so I started with the green cushion mums. I could keep it like that and be happy, but instead we'll be adding the white mums next. Next is the Alstroemeria. Alstroemeria can have different flower stems. Some have short flower stems and some, like these ones, have long stems. You can place the Alstroemeria with long flower stems individually, which gives the arrangement a delicate look. Meanwhile, the Alstroemeria with the short flower stems are good to use as a filler in arrangements. Please subscribe. It turned out nice and full of flowers, but I wish I had some red berries to add here and there throughout. If you decide to create a mostly white and green version, I hope you pick up some hypericum berries. They're also known as St. John's wort. Red or coral would be a nice addition to this arrangement. The berries also come in white, green, pink, and burgundy too. So this is the small green and white version. Please hit the thumbs up button if you like this Christmas flowers series. Don't forget to vote which one's your favorite.